Now tell me PE3.
PE3.
Yes.
2. Then,
Look at the event.
sir, 3C3. Yes, sir. 3 are white.
And how many white here?
Hello.
There are 5 white balls. So three white balls can be chosen out of
3 white. 5.
5C3 ways, right?
Yes, sir.
And
5C3.
into, and how many black balls?
Upon.
Two black balls.
Yes, sir. Into 5C2.
And you are
5C2.
choosing how many balls?
Upon
Five.
10C5.
Okay. Now Amit, tell me PE4.
5. Yes, sir.
Amit,
So
tell me
PE4.
PE4.
Two white, three. Three. One, two, three. So five C2
5C2. Okay.
into five C3 by
5C3.
ten
Good.
C5.
Good. 10C5. Fine. And the last one. No, I think second last one. PE5. PE5 is similarly
Yes, sir.
5C1
Five C1
into 5C4
five C4
divided by 10C5.
by ten C5.
Right? And finally, you have PE6. Okay. All 5 balls are black. That means 5 black balls in total are there, and you can select 5 black balls in 5C5 ways divided by 10C5. That's it. Right? So let us now calculate,
Hmm.
or do you know how to calculate NCR values? Do I have to show this once again? You know how to calculate NCR values,
No,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. That also we can do.
Okay. So this is 1 by 252 if you calculate this. Okay. This will come to 25 by 252. Okay. This will come to 25 by 63. This will come to again 25 by 63. This will come to
Okay, sir.
25 by 252. And this will come to 1 by 252. Clear? So we have managed to
Yes,
calculate
sir.
PE1, PE2, and so on up till PE6. Now what do we require? PA slash E1, PA slash E2, PA slash E3. Let us calculate these probabilities. Okay. So I'm just erasing this. I have the values so that we can calculate PA slash E1 and all that. Okay. Since if I write down, the events are written up. So each time I will have to scroll. Okay. Let me do it here only. First event is PA slash E1. Okay. So look at A and look at E1. What is A? Ball drawn from urn 2 is white. And what is E1? Given that, what is the given event? That all white balls are transferred. Okay, this urn was empty. Once you are transferring 5 white balls, then how many balls does it have? It has all white balls, right? Isn't it? What is the first event?
Yes, sir.
What is A slash E1? What is that this event? That ball drawn from urn 2 is white. Given that, what is E1? Given that all 5 white balls are transferred from urn 1 to urn 2. Isn't it? So if you are transferring 5 white balls from here, how many balls are there now? 5 white balls are there. And now you are drawing 1 white ball. So what is the probability?
Yes,
What is the probability? 1 by 5? Out of 5 white balls,
yes, sir.
you're drawing 1 white ball. So the probability is 1 by 5. Next, PA slash
Yes,
E2.
sir.
A slash E2 means ball drawn from this urn is white. Given that E2 has occurred. And what is E2? 4 white and 1 black. So if it means if we are transferring 4 white and 1 black, so this urn now has how many? 4 white and 1 black, from which you are drawing 1 white ball,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So what is the probability? How many total balls? 5, right? And you're picking up 1 white ball. right? Out of 4 white balls, you are picking up 1 white ball, right? So what is the probability? 4 by 5, because 4 white balls are there and total number of balls is 5,
Yes.
right? Let us see what is PA/E3. Now what happens? Ball drawn from urn 2 is white. Forget this because we are already done with this possibility. Okay. Now what are you transferring? You are transferring this E3 is the given event. That is 3 white balls and 2 black balls. Now this has 3 white and 2 black balls. And you are picking up 1 white ball. So what is the probability? 3 by 5. Right?
Yes.
Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, not
Yes, sir.
understand. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, previously you are doing about the 5C1 and
Hmm,
all that.
hmm. That
And
was
now,
concerning earn
oh,
1. E1, E2, E3, E4,
oh,
E5,
okay,
E6
sir.
was
Okay,
concerning earn 1 only. Now we are concerned with both. From
okay,
earn
sir.
1 we have transferred and now we are picking up 1 white ball.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so what is PA/E4? Now look at A. A is we are drawing 1 white ball. Okay, and how many balls we have transferred? Look at E4. Look at E4. How many balls we have transferred? 2 white and 3 black. So then now this becomes
Yes, sir.
2 white and 3 black, right? So if I'm
Yes,
picking
sir.
1 white ball, I can do it in 2 by 5. In the probability is 2 by 5 because there are 2 white balls. And finally, not finally, second last one, PE/A5. How many balls we are transferring? 1 white and 4 black balls.
1, 4 black.
So this time it becomes 1 white and 4 black, out of which you are drawing 1 white ball. So how many ways can you do it?
Yes, sir.
1 by 5, right?
So, yes, sir.
And
5.
finally,
Yes, sir.
PA/E6. What is E6 here? E6 here is all 5 balls are black, which are being transferred. If I'm
Yes, sir.
transferring all 5 balls black here, that means all 5 balls are black and no white is there. 0 white balls. And what
Yes,
is the
sir.
probability of drawing a white ball? If there are no white balls, then the probability of drawing a white ball is 0.
Yes, sir.
So that's it.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
Yes,
put
sir.
sir.
these values in this base theorem. Okay. The probability that you have calculated, you have put these values in base theorem. You will get your ultimate answer to be 1 by 2, 126. Is it absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we move on to the next sum? In problem 3, in a bolt factory, the machines M1, M2, M3 manufacture respectively 25, 35 and 40% of the total product. Of the total product. Of their output, 5, 4 and 2% respectively and 2% respectively are defective bolts. Read as I am writing, okay? Read the problem, try to think carefully so that you don't have to read over again. One bolt is drawn from the product. one bolt is drawn at random from the product and it is found to be defective. What is the probability that it was manufactured by machine 3? Okay, machine
Okay.
M3. Okay, just go through the problem. So I have defined A as bolt is defective because that was the given event. Now, if I looked at the question is what is the probability that the machine was manufactured by M3? That means these are the events that I will have to form, right? Manufactured by machine M1, manufactured by machine M2, and manufactured by machine M3. That means M3/A is the event that it is manufactured from M3, given that it is defective. That means we have to find EM3/A, right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we write from the base theorem. What is M3/A? From base theorem, first write the formula. From base theorem, P M3/A is equal to, how do we write base theorem? First we write PM3, then P A/M3, M3 becomes the denominator, right? Divided by, and how many M's are there? 3 M's
Yes,
are there. So summation will run from I is equal to 1 to
Sir.
3.
3.
PMI PA/MI, right? Let's expand this now.
Yes, sir.
PM3 PA/M3 divided by PM1 PA/M1 plus PM2 PA/M2 plus PM3 PA/M3, right? This is what our base theorem is. Now let us find the probabilities. What are the probabilities? First is PM1, PM2, PM3. Let us find PM1, PM2, PM3. Okay, look here so that I don't have to scroll down. What is PM1? Probability that it was manufactured from machine M1. Look at the question. In a bolt factory, machines manufacture respectively 25, 35, and 40% of the product. So what is the probability that is what might have manufactured from machine M1? 25 by 100, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Which is
sir.
0.25. PM2 similarly is how much? 35 by 100.
0.35.
Which is 0.35. And PM3 is 40 by 100, which is 0.4.
Yes, sir. 0.4.
Fine. Now let us find out the other probabilities. What is the probability? PA/M3, PA/M1, PA/M2. Let us find these. First, PA/M1. Look at this event, PA/M1. What is A? The bolt is defective, right? The bolt is defective. And what is M1? Given that it is manufactured from machine M1. Look at the question.
Yes, sir.
of their output, 5, 4, and 2% respectively are defective bolts. That is, machine M1 is producing how many defective bolts? 5%. So what is the probability?
Sir, 5. Yes,
5
sir.
by 100.
5.
0.05. Similarly, PA slash M2 is 0.04. 4 by 100, which is 0.04. And finally, PA slash M3 is 2%. That means 2 by 100, which is 0.02. Right? So you have found these things.
Yes, sir.
Now just
Yes,
put
sir.
them. Better to
Yes,
put
sir.
fractional values because it is easier to work with fractional values, isn't it? Don't put the decimal values.
Yes,
Put
sir.
the fractional values. Okay. So if you put these fractional values in this, you have found PM1, PM2, PM3 you have found. You have also found PA slash M1. You have found PA slash M2. You have found PA slash M3. All these you have found. So now if you put these values, you're going to get 16 by 69. Okay. Clear with
Yes, sir.
this?
Okay, sir.
3 more problems to go. Okay. From base theorem. So this was problem 3. Problem 4. 5 and 6 problems are there in total. Problem 4. Problem 4 is a factory has 2 machines. A factory has 2 machines. The empirical evidence what do you mean by empirical? You know what empirical means?
No, sir.
Empirical means
Yes,
based on practicality rather than theory. The empirical evidence has established that machine 1 and 2, that machine 1 and 2 produce 30% and 70% of the output respectively. Of the output respectively. Okay. It has also been established that 5% and 1% of the output produced by these machines respectively are defective. Are defective. A defective item is drawn at random. What is the probability? Read the problem carefully as I write. Okay. What is the probability that the defective item was produced by machine 1 or 2. Okay, now you see the language here, machine 1 or machine 2. If you see the difference in the language here, you see the language here. What is the probability that it was manufactured from machine M3? Last problem that we did. And
Yes, sir.
what is the statement here? That it was produced by machine 1 or machine 2.
Produced by
Machine
or
2.
2 years.
And what does or mean? Or means
Sorry.
plus, right?
Union.
Yes.
Union or
Yes, sir.
plus,
Plus.
isn't it? So you have to find out the
Yes, sir.
probability that it was produced by machine 1. Given that, what is the given event here? That it is defective, right? That the output produced
Yes,
by
Yes, sir.
the machine was defective, right? This is the given event, that the output
Yes,
was
sir.
defective.
Yes, sir.
And you have to find that it was produced by machine 1, given that it is defective. And also you have to find it is produced by machine 2, given that it is defective, and then add both the probabilities. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this time is ending. Okay, so just rejoin. Okay.